Hi guys! In this video we will be learning about the concept of a natural hazard and its potential impacts. We will also look at the relationship between risk and vulnerability and the different ways that natural hazards are managed.
Firstly, we are going to look at the concept of a natural hazard and its potential impacts. So, a natural hazard can be defined by this definition, which is that it is a perceived event that threatens life and property. Natural hazards often end up resulting in the loss of life, as well as things like property and damage to the environment, as well as disruption to other human activities. These events only become natural hazards when humans are involved, and this is because humans live in disaster zones, which makes the event hazardous. If an event such as a volcanic eruption were to happen where nobody lived, then it would not be a natural hazard, it would just be a volcanic event. So natural hazards relate to the effect to humans living in areas where natural hazards occur. So types of natural hazard that we can see in these photographs above are volcanic activity, earthquakes and tropical storms, although there are some others, but these are the main ones we are going to focus on. Natural hazards have a variety of characteristics which are mostly similar across all hazards. The first is that they have clear origins, so they are derived from a specific event such as a volcano, an earthquake or a storm. They often have a short warning period. That means they cannot be predicted easily because they happen as freak events and there's no way that long-term prediction can take place. Also, they have different types of exposure to risk. So risk can be voluntary or involuntary, and voluntary means that people have chosen to live in a specific area that is threatened by natural hazards, but they've chosen to live there out of their choice, and this normally happens in more developed countries or more economically developed countries where there is better prediction and prevention strategies. But involuntary exposure to risk is normally in less economically developed countries where people are simply too poor to be able to decide where they want to live and therefore are forced to live in hazard zones. Also, another characteristic is that they often have long-term effects, and this can be on things such as the economy of the area, or they could be long-term environmental effects, such as a lack of crops growing because the cropland has been destroyed.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level geography videos, just click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level geography a walk in the park.